Hi, my name is Isabelle Wright, and I am the marketing intern at Therapy Boutique in Auburn, Alabama. My role was to schedule and direct all photo shoots, plan all social media posts, make Instagram graphics through Canva and all of their email marketing as well. I interviewed with Robin Hevlin, who is the general manager. My turnaround time was about a week. What I enjoyed most about my internship was creative output that I had. The most important thing that I learned during my internship was time management, and some tips and future advice for other interns would be have a good schedule on how you want to do things, make sure that you can work efficiently under time constraints, and make sure that you're staying up to date with trends.